Hey everybody, it's Carol Billing. I am your instructor for Education 204. So let's take a minute to look over the syllabus. Alright, so I'm not going to read it to you, obviously. A lot of you have probably had me already for 201, which is awesome. This course is run, it's constructed or organized very similarly, so that should be helpful to you. My office hours, I'm here Monday and Wednesdays at noon to 1. Is that right? Why am I thinking that's 1:30? Let me just check when. 12:30. Okay, I'm going to have to check that. The office hours will be in the syllabus. That's correct and correctly posted in your Blackboard. Okay, and by appointment, which is actually what I prefer. So we can meet on Zoom, which is easy because you can meet on any device. Zoom is like GoToMeeting. Okay, and I'm teaching 201 Monday and Wednesdays from 1 to 2:15. So you can catch me around the room at 2:15. You can catch me right outside the room. Hey everybody, it's Carol Billing. I'm your instructor for Education 204, and many of you probably had me for 201, so you'll find the courses set up very much the same as far as structure. Content is very different. It's really fun class, though. It's a little bit more the psychology of teaching, which I think is really interesting, because that's the thing is reaching these kids. You have to learn how to reach lots of different people. All right, so office hours, very important. Wednesday evenings on Zoom, and then also Monday and Wednesdays in my office. And I'm teaching 201 at 1 o'clock on Monday and Wednesday, so I put my office hour just right before I go into class on those days. But I'm available by appointment, so don't let that be limiting. Just let me know when you need to meet, because I have a lot of availability. Okay, so, oh, that's right, you guys are online this semester, huh? I was thinking you were hybrid. That's the spring. Okay, fully online. So yeah, we probably will get together on Zoom if we need to meet. But you're of course welcome to come to campus, especially if you're already on campus. Online. So we'll start Monday. We'll end the first Monday, the Monday of finals. So that's the 12th. Everything will be due that day, so that you can have time for your other classes. And we're going to cover all those super important things. We're going to do all this, read all that. The signature assignment is called Statement of Informed Beliefs, or SIB. And so that's set up very similarly to the ABE. It has journal sections, and they'll review those, and then you put them together. The big difference is SIB, you pull terms from the text, and you talk about how those actually happen in real life. So the theme of this class is really about like taking your theory, what you're learning in the book, and mixing it with what you know to be true in life and what you've experienced in life as an educator or a para or classroom observer or student. Mix real life with the theory. That's my whole goal, is that you start aligning those two things. All right. So make sure you log in so I know you're on this. You're going to do the class, and so I can put your financial aid verification in. Same rule about assignments. Once the grades are in Blackboard for 2 weeks, they're like cement and they're frozen. And then I have a late work policy. If you have an exceptional situation, crisis, and you've missed work, we can talk about that. Grading is the same as all my other courses. I have a very small window for a D. Honestly, in 204, it's not even an issue. I know it's very odd. I talk to other faculty. They're talking about, well, I got like 30% A's and 10% B's and whatever. However that goes. I'm like, I have like 90% A's. I guess my class is too easy. I don't know. But honestly, ed majors are awesome. So we're just rock stars. Okay, grades for 2 weeks. Same rule. Textbook. Okay. So kind of I'm very flexible on the textbook. So what did I write in here? Personal recommendation, rent. So I definitely recommend renting the text, or you can use it in the library. There's a copy in the library. I think you can read it and write down key vocabulary words that you want to, like, oh, I'm not that familiar with theory, or a word that's bolded in the chapter. Okay, nothing is coming to mind. Everything that's coming to mind is 201 right now, not 204. But you get the idea. I think you could sit down and study this either online or at the library. This book is so dense. It's got so much great information. It's far more than I could ever cover in a semester. So read it through, take notes on the words or terms or theories so that you can maybe make flashcards of those and know those, and that's what the quizzes are based on. So the version of the textbook you get is not critical because I picked keywords that are always in all the versions. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. We're using Weebly with this class, so that's where instead of going to class, you'll go to carolbilling.weebly.com, and I'll cover that in your Blackboard video, how to access that. And that is, it's got additional information beyond the textbook, and it also has all my lectures and things. Course calendars in Blackboard. Assignments are due Monday at 5, same as before. So you want to set that deadline for yourself, like Saturday night before you go to bed, or Sunday night before you go to bed, if you've got Monday as a day when you can fix problems in case something doesn't load, or Blackboard is down, or something weird like that. And I would just tell you this semester, don't wait to the deadline. There's a very strong possibility there might be issues with Blackboard. Can I just say that? And can you read between the lines? And if you see me face to face, I'll elaborate. But let me just tell you, work ahead, save copies. Wouldn't be a bad idea to screenshot your gradebook periodically. I think that would be what I would do. Okay, that's all the information I think that's fit to go through. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll do a video on the calendar and Blackboard. Talk to you soon. Bye.